I am back. I have a new unboxing video, and that is Yumeko Jabami from Kakegurui, or The Compulsive Gambler. Now, that anime is on Netflix. It's a very good anime, and I saw Good Small Company released the Nendoroid, and I didn't have the funds to really buy her, so I just kind of waited. I guess I'll just buy her aftermarket because I don't have the time or money. Big freaking mistake. Her current price worth right now is around, the least is I think $120 used or new, and the most expensive being almost, I think, 200-ish, 250, 300, I don't know, she keeps going up. So, oops, don't do what I do and wait, because some of these Nendoroids will actually skyrocket in price. So I got her for $92 total, but really got her for like $80, which is actually still used. And she has all the parts, the wrapping, and everything. It's just been displayed. Now, this is really, really neat. I was talking to the seller and I was like, this is a steal, oh my goodness. And so I bought her, and here we are. I was supposed to get her tomorrow according to the shipping company, but I got her today. So I'm doing an unboxing video. Now, this Nendoroid is very cute. She comes with a bunch of different faceplates, as you can see here. And then this is the box. Cute little thing. Just making sure. Okay. So, her Nendoroid number is 882. I don't know if that has any significant meaning. But anyway, I'm gonna get to it. So I do have her scale figure from Chotobukiya. Oh, okay, so one thing is the box is slightly ripped in the front, but that's fine. I wish they could have done that. If anything, I can glue it. Okay. Comes with the instructions and everything. Neat. Oop. I forgot that was open. Forgot to put that down. My bad. Okay. So the bag was open. My bad. Makes it easier for me though. Okay. So the faceplate I'm gonna have. Okay. So I'm gonna do. I like how every time a new Nendoroid comes out, depending on the character, the boxes are super tiny. They used to be super big for certain characters, and now they're getting tinier. So, I don't know. It's a new observation. So, let's go for now. So, this, I don't want to tilt it too much. There you go. One of the hands is out of the, there we go. That happens in shipping. So, what I'm gonna do, what am I gonna do? I didn't think about this beforehand. Sorry guys. Okay, so I'm gonna have her doing, I guess I'm gonna have her do this pose. Because it's like her little kitty thing, because she becomes a house pet. Okay, so I gotta change the face. I love how Yumeko is just such a crazy character. I don't know what it is about me and crazy characters, but I like them. Am I crazy too? Probably. Oh, and I have to have the necklace on too. Oh, it's a legit chain. I didn't know that. Aha. So her little necklace is an actual chain. I like that. I've never actually had to put one of these on, so forgive me if I suck at this. There we go. I got it. So she has her little chain. Okay, so I'm gonna do her little neon pose, which is cute. I gotta take these arms off. I'm so scared that one of these days I'm just gonna like lose one of these pieces because they're so tiny. Okay. I'm gonna cut that in. Wait. Oh, they're two left hands. What the heck? Okay. So that's weird. I might have two left hands, which is kind of weird for an Nendoroid. But I could always request the arm. Okay, so I got one on. It's this one I'm worried about because it's like, yeah, it's two left hands. See? But one has that ring on, but it's painted. So like, I guess what I can do, I'll just have her holding the money. That's weird. Manufacturing error, I guess. Yeah, I think it's a manufacturing error. This is the first Nendoroid that's ever had that, I think. So I'm just gonna have her holding these little things out. So she's holding money. Nendoroids are very, very, very peculiar, unfortunately. Okay, so here we go. So I have her like that, holding the wad of money because she's filthy freaking rich. I might have her holding the cards too, just because it kind of looks weird with this pose. Oh, so that's what that is. Well, I can have her grabbing the tag. Let's see. And her elbow is able to come off and on too. Okay, so this is getting a little frustrating, but whatever. Whoever said Nendoroids were fun, am I right? Alright, so... Okay. Hopefully now I'll have the ability to grab her tag. Because Yumeko likes to use her status against the student council, or whatever you want to call it, to gamble her heart out. Okay. I think I got it. Note to self, I don't like chains on Nendoroids. So this is basically what I've done. She's using her power to gamble because, you know, gambling addict. Okay. I have to just put her on the thing, which may prove to be difficult. There we go. There we go. Alright. So one thing I will message the seller because she did have two left hands and I wanted her to do this, you know. So I'll have to message the seller about that. But other than that, it's a really good, you know, Nendoroid. I love it to pieces. I love the character half to death here. She's my favorite. And hopefully, when I get my other stuff in, the video won't be as long. So I don't know who I'm getting in next, but I'll let you know when I get them. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.